Hello friends. So today we are going to do our second chapter, that is Indus Valley Civilization. First of all, we will see some of the important information that is given in the Ghatna Chakra, and then we will solve the MCQs. Now, the Indus Valley Civilization is also known as Harappan Civilization, and what all we find in the Indus Valley Civilization: seal, beads, weights, stone blades, and baked bread. Also, the seals that were found in Indus Valley were made up of steatite. ये क्वेश्चन ऑफन पूछा जाता है, तो आप ध्यान रखना. Next is Dayaram Sahni discovered Harappa, R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro, and John Marshall was the director of ASI and announced the discovery of new civilization, that was the Indus Valley civilization to the world. Harappa कहाँ पे located है? This is an important question. It is located in the Montgomery district of the Punjab province of Pakistan. Also, Mohenjo-daro is situated on the bank of Indus River in Sindh, Pakistan. Harappa is located at the banks of Ravi River. Now, C14 was a carbon dating 14 technique which was used to allocate the dates of Harappan civilization, which extended from 2300 BC to 1700 BC. And the contemporary civilization to the Indus Valley civilization were the Mesopotamian and Egyptian civilization. मतलब ये जिस टाइम पे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन हमारे इंडिया में फ्लरिश हो रही थी, इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में फ्लरिश हो रही थी, उसी टाइम पे मेसोपोटामिया एंड इजिप्ट सिविलाइजेशन भी वर्ल्ड के वर्ल्ड में उस टाइम पे ऑपरेट करते थे. एंड ऑल्सो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, द पीपल ऑफ इंडस वैली हैड ट्रेड रिलेशंस विथ मेसोपोटामिया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज द हड़प्पा civilization covered the parts of Punjab, Sindh, Baluchistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and the western fringes of Uttar Pradesh. To be exact, आलमगीरपुर इन यूपी, साउथ वेस्ट मतलब वेस्टर्न यूपी का आलमगीरपुर, मंडा इन जम्मू कश्मीर, दाइमाबाद in Maharashtra. This is the Indian extension of Harappan civilization. And also it is given there Manda from Jammu Kashmir, Daimabad in Maharashtra in south, Sutka Jindur Baluchistan, and Alamgirpur in Meerut. Now, three important cities, major cities of Indus Valley were Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Dholavira. बाकी तो सारे हम कवर कर ही लेंगे. The remnants of granary was available in Harappa. The animals which were depicted in the seals were elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, sheep, etc. Cow was not depicted on the seal, and terracotta hut. ध्यान रखना ये. Mohenjo-daro is known as the mound of the dead man in Sindhi language. It was discovered by Rakhaldas Banerjee. Great Bath is in Mohenjo-daro. ठीक है. Main quality of Mohenjo-daro was their roads. The Indus Valley civilization was also known as the first urban civilization. ठीक है. वाई दिस वाज सो? क्योंकि रोड्स जो है वो बनती थी, इसके बाद में प्रॉपर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम एस्टेब्लिश हो जाता था, उसके बाद रोड का सिस्टम बिछाया जाता था. एंड रोड met each other at 90 degree. This was a special feature. Now इसी के साथ ही लेट्स डू क्वेश्चंस में सारा कवर हो जाएगा. ये एक बार देख लेते हैं, दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. कौन सी इंडस वैली की जो साइट है वो किस रिवर से रिलेटेड है? तो हड़प्पा इज लोकेटेड ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ रिवर रावी. मोहनजोदारो इंडस रिवर पे. कालीबंगन, इसका स्टेट याद रखना, कालीबंगन इज इन राजस्थान ऑन रिवर घग्गर. लोथल इन गुजरात ऑन द रिवर भोगवा. ऑल्सो लोथल में अ पोर्ट हैज बीन फाउंड. ठीक है. डॉकयार्ड या पोर्ट बोल लो उसको. नाउ रोपर इज इन पंजाब एंड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ सतलुज. मंडा इज इन, अभी मैंने बताया, जम्मू कश्मीर, एंड इट इज ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ रिवर चिनाब. दैमाबाद इन महाराष्ट्र, सदर्न मोस्ट एक्सटेंट है इंडस वैली का. Pravara river, which is a tributary of Godavari. ध्यान रखना इसको भी. Now Alamgirpur in UP, river Indon, western UP का पार्ट है ये. Sukta Jendor, Das river and Bhagwanpura in Shravasti river. Now let's do some of the questions. ये एक बार देख लो. Metals and production site. Copper was production site थी Rajasthan and Balochistan. Lazurite from Afghanistan. Turquoise in Iran. Silver from Jawar in Rajasthan. Lead from Afghanistan. Shilajit from Himalaya. And garnet stone from Gujarat. Now let's do some of the questions now. Harappan human society is unique because it depends mainly on economy. Because economy मतलब क्या? प्रोडक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लोगों ने प्रोडक्शन शुरू किया, टेक्सटाइल वगैरह ओपन हुए. जब इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के टाइम में भी कॉटन टेक्सटाइल का काम था. एंड देन जहाँ पे इकोनॉमी होगी वहां पे मनी होगा. एंड जहाँ पे मनी होगा तो एक इंसान मनी देगा और दूसरा रिसीव करेगा. देन इकोनॉमी से शुरू होता है डिवीजन ऑफ सोसाइटी. ठीक है. सो दिस डिवीजन को डायरेक्टली उन्होंने क्वेश्चन के फॉर्म में पूछा है कि ह्यूमन सोसाइटी इज बेस्ड ऑन, it depends on economy because economy leads to the division of society. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Now, which of the following is related to Harappan civilization? So Indus Valley civilization was the other name. Indus Valley existed in proto-historic period. Proto-historic इसलिए archaeological evidences are there. ठीक है. Indus Valley civilization was non-Aryan because it was an urban civilization. Non-Aryan civilization was, yeah, Vedic age is related to iron. ठीक है. Iron was not known to the Indus Valley civilization people. Iron was related to Vedic people. So it was non-Aryan because it was a urban civilization. And Vedic age या Aryan age was particularly an agrarian society, not urban. The important reason to keep Indus Valley civilization before Aryan civilization is the potteries. Okay. Now the red potteries painted with the black figures with speciality with the Harappan civilization, whereas grey painted pottery were used by Aryans. So black and red was used by people of Harappa, whereas grey ware is associated with people of Vedic age. Now next question. The Indus Valley civilization culture was different from the Vedic civilization because it has amenities of developed life. It has a pictographic script. Also Indus Valley की जो pictographic script है, it has not been deciphered. इसका मतलब अभी तक पता नहीं चल पाया है क्योंकि it is mainly pictographic. And it lacked the knowledge of iron and defensive arrows. अभी मैंने बताया कि iron was related to the Vedic age. So इसका आंसर है all of the above. Now, अभी जो मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी उससे आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. Indus Valley civilization was an urban civilization. Now Rig Vedic society, I already told you, Rig Vedic society was pastoral. Later Vedic society was agrarian. And medieval period में लैंडलॉर्डिज्म आया. फ्यूडलिज्म जिसको बोल सकते हैं कि देयर वाज अ लैंडलॉर्ड ऑन द टॉप एंड उसके नीचे में पीजेंट्स होते थे या टीनेंट्स होते थे. दे शेयर्ड अ रिलेशनशिप. सो उस हिसाब से ए का हमारा 4 है, बी का हमारा 3 है, सी का हमारा 1 है. So D would be the correct answer. Now, the source of knowledge about Harappan culture is archaeological excavation. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन है बिटवीन वैदिक एज एंड हड़प्पा एज. वैदिक एज के टाइम में वी हैव वेदास. 4 वेदास हमारे पास, ऋग्वेद, सामवेद, यजुर्वेद एंड अथर्ववेद. बट हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन के केस में वी हैव सील्स, वी हैव पॉटरीज एंड नथिंग एल्स. इसके अलावा हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है टू डिसाइफर एनीथिंग. वी हैव अ स्क्रिप्ट बट इट इज पिक्टोग्राफिक स्क्रिप्ट नॉट अ रिटन स्क्रिप्ट, जो कि अभी तक डिसाइफर भी नहीं की गई है. सो दिस इज द मेन पॉइंट ऑफ distinction between these two. Now, next is which of the following throw light on Harappan culture? Archaeological evidence. Question number 10 is the main source of knowledge about the inhabitants of the Indus Valley civilization is seals. अभी बताया मैंने, temples उनके नहीं होते थे. They didn't have a script. They have a pictographic script. And utensils, jewelry, weapons, tools ये भी कुछ ज्यादा नहीं थे. Seals were the most prominent thing. जहां से हमें ये भी पता चला कि they had trade relations also. Trade relation with Mesopotamian civilization. Now, this is origin of theory. Origin of Harappan civilization से regarding कौन सी theory is not correct? तो एम रफीक मुगल ने ये कहा था हरप्पन civilization was inspired by Mesopotamian civilization. ठीक है, this is not correct. Whereas मैके ने बोला था migration of people from Sumer area, Sumerian civilization के जो people थे, they migrated to India and those people were called the Harappan people. मॉर्टिमर व्हीलर ने बोला था देयर वाज अ माइग्रेशन ऑफ आइडिया, कि आइडिया माइग्रेट हुआ टू लिव इन अ बैंड सोसाइटी एंड टू लिव लाइक एंड द आइडिया ऑफ अर्बन सिविलाइजेशन माइग्रेटेड फ्रॉम समवेयर एल्स. अमलानंद घोष ने बोला प्री हड़प्पन कल्चर मैच्योर टू मेक हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन, मतलब पीपल पहले से ही रह रहे थे हड़प्पन एरिया में या नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न एरिया में. दे स्लोली ड्यू टू द टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस एंड चेंजेस over the time they tend to mature the Harappan civilization. Earliest evidence of silver is found in Harappan culture. याद रखना सिल्वर का एविडेंस मिलता है, गोल्ड का मिलता है, बट नॉट ऑफ आयरन. आयरन का कोई एविडेंस नहीं है. The earliest evidence of animal domestication and agriculture in India has come from so Mehergarh. Mehergarh is a Neolithic site. Last lecture में मैंने बताया भी था. It is a Neolithic site. Now, which color of pottery was commonly used by the Harappan people? So they used red and black. ठीक है, ग्रे कलर का जो pottery था that was used by the Vedic people. Gray was used by Vedic. The beginning of idol worship is to be considered during pre-Aryan period. ठीक है, although idol worship का concept था, they worship mother goddess and they used to worship Pashupati. आइडल वर्शिप का कंसेप्ट था बट नो टेम्पल, टेम्पल का कोई हमें एविडेंस नहीं मिला. सो दे वर नो टेम्पल ड्यूरिंग हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन. Now, which one of the following animal was not presented on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture? So cow was not presented. Other than cow, elephant, rhino, tiger, deer, sheep, these all were these all were present. Now, Lothal, Kalibangan, Dholavira and बनावली, इनमें से हमें क्या आर्कियोलॉजिकल फाइंडिंग मिली? वी हैव टू मैच दिस. लोथल में मैंने आपको बताया था डॉकयार्ड वाज डिस्कवर्ड. नाउ बनावली में, कालीबंगन में अपलोड फील्ड वाज देयर. कालीबंगन इज इन राजस्थान. बनावली में टेराकोटा रेप्लिका ऑफ ए प्लॉ. बनावली इज इन हरियाणा. एंड धोलावीरा में एन इंस्क्रिप्शन कंप्राइजिंग 10 लार्ज साइंस ऑफ हड़प्पन स्क्रिप्ट वाज फाउंड. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारा आंसर बी है यहाँ पे. Now, Munavli, as I told you, Haryana, where a terracotta replica of law was found. Now, next is in which of the following Harappan city furrows of plowed field was found? Kalibangan, I already told you. राजस्थान में है on the banks of घग्गर रिवर. एक और चीज मैं आपको बता दूं, आज के टाइम पे आप घग्गर रिवर नहीं सुनते होगे इसका नाम, क्योंकि एक्सटिंक्ट हो चुकी है ये. हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के टाइम में दो रिवर हुआ करती थी, एक हमारी सरस्वती रिवर थी एंड घग्गर हकरा. ये हमारे हिमालय से निकल के ऑल द वे राजस्थान एंड गुजरात तक भी जाती थी. दिस सिस्टम ऑफ वाटर इज नाउ एक्सटिंक्ट. दैट इज वाई आज की डेट में हमें देखने को नहीं मिलती. बट एंशियंट टाइम्स में ये थी, दैट इज वाई एंड सिविलाइजेशन फ्लरिश्ड, जिसका नाम था इंडस वैली. नाउ which among the following Harappan site terracotta of plough was found? तो बनावली. A plowed field was discovered at Kalibangan. Now Lothal में I already told you dockyard, Kalibangan में furrowed land, मोहनजोदारो में dancing girl का statue and हड़प्पा में R37 cemetery. So D is the right answer. 22 देखते हैं. Which of the following ancient town is well known for its elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building a series of dams and channelizing water into connected reservoirs? So it was Dholavira. Rakhigarhi is in Haryana and also it is the largest Indus Valley site of India. ठीक है. ऑल द वे पूरे इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट की बात की जाए तो मोहनजोदारो इज द लार्जेस्ट, बट इंडिया की बात की जाए तो राखीगढ़ी इज द लार्जेस्ट. कालीबंगन अगेन इज इन राजस्थान. रोपड़ आई टोल्ड यू is in Punjab and on the banks of river Satluj. Harappa, river Ravi. Hastinapur, Hastinapur is on the banks of river Ganga. UP में है Hastinapur. Nagarjun Konda is on the banks of Krishna river. Dam is also there, Nagarjun Konda, Nagarjun Sagar Dam, and Patan is in Godavari. So B is the correct answer. Harappa again on the river Ravi. Kalibangan, गब्बर, लोथल इज बैंक ऑफ भोगवा और रोपड़ जो है वो सतलुज के बैंक्स में. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नो, द ग्रेट बाथ वाज फाउंड एट, सो द ग्रेट बाथ वाज फाउंड एट मोहनजोदारो. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आल्सो सेम. द ग्रेट बाथ वाज फाउंड एट मोहनजोदारो. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज which of the following statement about the Indus Valley civilization is not true? Accurate drainage system, this is correct. Trade and commerce were in advanced stages, बिल्कुल correct है. Indus Valley has trade relation with Mesopotamian civilization. Now worshipping of mother goddess, I already told you this. People knew about iron, ये भी मैंने बताया आपको. Iron was not known to the Indus Valley people. Iron की जगह पे iron was known to the Vedic people. Now next question is, Indus Valley civilization is known for its town planning, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, agricultural work and industrialization. So D is the answer. Now next is, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Alamgirpur is in UP, it is correct. Lothal is in Gujarat. Kalibangan is in Haryana, no, galat. It is in Rajasthan. Now Ropar is in Punjab. From the Harappan culture sites and its position, which of the following is not correctly matched? Alamgirpur is correct, Banavli is correct, Daimabad is correct, and Rakhigarhi is wrong. Rakhigarhi is in Haryana. Next is Manda. Manda is in Jammu and Kashmir. Daimabad is in Maharashtra. Kalibangan is in Rajasthan and Rakhigarhi in Haryana. So the correct answer is C. Now, Manda is in Jammu Kashmir, we know. Balu is a site in Haryana. Padri is a site in Gujarat. And Hulas is a site in Uttar Pradesh. So the correct answer to this is D. ये थोड़ा सा यूनिक क्वेश्चन है, थोड़े से डिफिकल्ट साइट्स हैं यहाँ पे. ये 32 नंबर क्वेश्चन को आप नोट डाउन कर लेना. Which of the following sites of Harappan culture are located in Sindh? तो Mohenjo-daro, I told you, is in Sindh. And Chanhu-daro is in Sindh. हड़प्पा नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि हड़प्पा is on the banks of Ravi, याद करो आप. And Ravi is in the Punjab province of Indus Valley. तो वन तो नहीं हो सकता, तो वन नहीं है यहाँ पे. टू वी ऑलरेडी नो इज ट्रू. और सुरकोताडा तो है ही नहीं पाकिस्तान में, दिस इज इन गुजरात. तो ऐसे एलिमिनेशन से भी आप करेक्ट आंसर तक पहुंच सकते हो. दैट इज व्हाई 2 and 3 is correct. Now the excavation at Chanhu-daro was directed by G.H. Mackay. Which site of Indus Valley is now in Pakistan? So Harappa is in Pakistan. Kalibangan Rajasthan में है. Lothal is in Haryana. Lothal is in Gujarat, sorry. And Alamgirpur is in UP. Now Rangpur is in which state? So Rangpur is in Saurashtra. Saurashtra में गुजरात में है. The Dehri site is in Punjab. Which of the following site, Indus Valley site, located in India? So हड़प्पा इज नॉट इन इंडिया, पाकिस्तान में है। लोथल इज इन गुजरात, ये हमारे इंडिया में है। सो सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Now, the Harappan city represented by archaeological site of Lothal. Lothal is situated on Bhogwa River. Lothal is located in Gujarat on the banks of Bhogwa River. Port city of Lothal is Indus Valley is Lothal, Gujarat में. Most significant feature of Indus Valley civilization is burnt bricks. Burnt bricks were also used. Also industrialization and urban setup. Urban setup were the key features of Indus Valley. Which of the following is a Harappan port? Lothal. Which of the following is not an Indus Valley site? Patliputra. Patliputra is related to Magad Empire. And it is also a Mahajanpad. Now, which of the following is not an Harappan site? Sogora. Sogora is in UP, Gorakhpur. Copper plate inscription मिली है यहाँ पे during of the Mauryan times. Copper inscription of Mauryan times. ध्यान रखना. Now, the largest site of Harappa in India is, मैंने बताया आपको पहले ही, राखीगढ़ी. Biggest Harappan site in India is राखीगढ़ी. इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वाज प्लेस ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ, तो कौन कौन से रिवर के बैंक्स पे है? सिंधु रिवर इज करेक्ट, झेलम इज करेक्ट. रोपड़ साइड हमारी झेलम में थी, तो 1 and 3 आर करेक्ट. 1 and 3 आर करेक्ट. चेनाब इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. गंगा रिवर के किनारे पे कोई भी इंडस वाली साइड नहीं थी, सो वी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नो, पीपल ऑफ इंडस वैली बिलीव्ड इन स्पिरिट एंड ब्रह्मा. बहुत वेग है ये आंसर, क्योंकि मदर गॉडेस भी थी जिनको वो पूछते थे. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज डिस्प्यूटेड. इसका चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. The Indus Valley civilized people worship शिवा. शिवा के पशुपति फॉर्म को वर्शिप करते थे. Who was the Director General of Archaeological Excavation that led to the Harappa? And Sir John Marshall was the leader at that time. Two Indians associated with the discovery of Indus Valley was R.D. Banerjee, मोहनजोदाड़ो इन्होंने डिस्कवर किया था. दयाराम सैनी, हड़प्पा डिस्कवर किया था इन्होंने. Now Harappa by Dayaram Sahni, Hastinapur by B.B. Lal, Takshashila by John Marshall, and Kaushambi by N.G. Majumdar. So C is the correct answer. Which of the following is not correct? तो यहाँ पे हरप्पा दयाराम सैनी is correct. S.R. Rao is correct. Sukutada, J.P. Joshi is correct. Dholavira, V.K. Thapar is wrong. Dholavira was excavated by R.S. Bisht. Now, the first archaeologist who excavated Harappa but could not recognize its significance was Alexander Cunningham, who among the following was not associated with the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? V.A. Smith. Next question देखते हैं. Mohenjo-daro is situated in Sindh province of Pakistan. Chronological order in which the following things appear. Now, सबसे पहला तो urban culture आया during Harappan times. Iron plug आया during wedding time, तो 4 के बाद 3 है, 4 के बाद 3 है. And then आए हमारे punchmark coins during modern period, and then gold coins आए during Kushanas. या कुशाना से पहले भी इंडो ब्रिक्स के टाइम पे गोल्ड कॉइन्स आए. And largest number of gold coins were issued by Gupta, and first time they were issued by Vima Khadifs. So D is the correct answer. The first metal used by man was, it was copper. इसको ब्रॉन्ज भी बोलते हैं. ब्रॉन्ज इज सिविलाइजेशन. Ivory scale at Harappan context was found at, it was found at Lothal, and Lothal में डॉकयार्ड भी मिला या पोर्ट भी मिला था. Next question is, which metal has so far not been discovered in Harappan site? So iron was not discovered. Which of the following site is located at the valley of Gaggad and its associated rivers? So Banavali in Haryana. Which of the following statements, and select the correct answers. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropar, Kalibangan, are the main sites of Indus Valley. This is correct. People of Harappa developed the road, proper housing and drainage system. This is also correct. The people of Harappa were known to the use of metals. No, they were not. A is the correct answer. Now, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa cities are dead now. This is correct. They were during discovered during an excavation. So, A is the correct answer. Sorry, B is the correct answer. The reason is not suitable for the assertion given. From where did the evidence of rock cut architecture was found? It was found from Dholavira and यहाँ पे water management की भी टेक्निक मिली थी, water management and water conservation की at Dholavira. Dholavira is in the state of Gujarat. Which Harappan city is divided into three parts? So Dholavira is an exception. वरना बाकी Harappan cities were divided in two parts, upper part and lower part. लेकिन Dholavira में it was divided into three parts. Now, which of the following site remnant of three townships? Dholavira, and a highly advanced water management system at Harappan tribe or another third at Dholavira, which is in Gujarat. Now, evidence of double burial. According to this question, number of burial के हिसाब से Lothal would be correct. And if the evidence follow the evidence, both option C and D will be, मतलब burial का केस दोनों पे भी applicable होता है, but large number of burials were there in Lothal. Recently, the excavation of Harappa site at Sanoli was what was found. तो सनौली में हमें क्या मिला था? तो सनौली में हमें ह्यूमन burials मिले थे. Now, for clothing, cotton cultivation was first introduced in. It was introduced in India. Regarding Indus Valley civilization, consider the statement. It was predominantly a secular civilization, and the religious element, though present, did not dominate the scene. बिल्कुल सही बात है. During this period, cotton was used for manufacturing textile. बिल्कुल सही है. Both B and C is the correct answer. यहाँ पे characteristics बतानी है Indus Valley की. They possessed great palaces, places and temples. Wrong. They did not have temple. They worship both male and female deities. This one is correct. And they employ horse, chariot in the warfare. This is also wrong. It is related to Vedic age. So only B is the correct answer here. One of the following sites from which of the following bull seal of Indus Valley was found? Bull seal was found at Mohenjo-daro. Also a dancing girl statue. Dancing girl statue was also found at Mohenjo-daro. Which of the following animals is not depicted on Harappan site? So horse is not depicted. Remains of which animal has not been discovered? Lion has not been discovered. None. ये तो बहुत weak type का question है, कोई फायदा नहीं है. Okay. A horn deity engraved on a terracotta cake has been recovered from. It was recovered from Kalibangan. Kalibangan में fire altars has also been discovered. Fire altars. Now, which of the following civilization flourished on the bank of River Nile? Egyptian civilization. नॉर्थ-साउथ सीक्वेंस में civilization को अरेंज करना है तो सबसे पहले Aztec, then Maya, then Muisca, then Inca. The first ancient civilization to develop the art of writing a proper system was Sumerian. They developed the art of writing. Indus तो हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि they did not have any language of their own. Script भी इनकी थी तो it was a pictographic script जो कि अभी तक डिसाइफर भी नहीं की गई है. So 83 क्वेश्चंस हमने कर लिए and we have finished Indus Valley civilization. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में we will do the questions of Vedic age. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो एक लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. आई विल कंप्लीट ऑल ऑफ द घटना चक्र, एंशिएंट भी, मिडिवल भी एंड मॉडर्न भी. थैंक यू.